around Donholm area. Time now is around 5:45 a.m. East Africa time. Just look at the situation. It has rained heavily overnight. The good thing is that we had been warned. The place is so flooded. Look at the situation. This is Africa site and Africa site of travels. You can see this service lane is so flooded. It's so flooded. So as I've indicated, it's about quarter to 6 a.m. East Africa time. And yeah. The weatherman had warned us. The weatherman had warned us of heavy downpour between yesterday 9th March up to around 12th. So right now I'm heading towards Donholm, Naivas. We've been caught up. Ndio tunasemanga kimeturamba. But again, it's nature. So guys, what is the situation? Yes, that is it. I'm now heading towards Outer Jogoo Road interchange. And I just did that video to show you or to put you into perspective of the one of Nairobi rains. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Africa Site Walk and Travels. Thank you. Thank you very much. see how the CBD looks like. This is Downpour Road. This is Downpour Road. I decided to do an extension. The video. Right now it's 20 minutes past 6 a.m. 20 minutes past 6 a.m. The station is no difference. It's rain everywhere. It's rain everywhere. Let me try and cross. Oh, I can't. Forgive my shaking. It's still a handheld one camera recording. Yeah. But it's nature. Sometimes nature is so unforgiving. Because now you have to wake up very early in the morning to get to work. The rain and bad weather notwithstanding. This is now Ronald Ngala Street. Let me get into Monya Road. This is Monya Road. It's around 6:20 a.m. or 6:22 thereabout. Day one of the long rains. Already you can see the effects it has had. This is Luthuli Avenue Junction I'm heading to. This is Luthuli Avenue. You can see there. Let me take a left-hand corner. towards Downpour Street. This is Luthuli Avenue. Flooding. So it has been a whole night of downpour. A whole night of heavy downpour. And this is the first day. Ngala Street Junction. So I'm heading to Downpour Street. So this is Africa Site Walk and Travels. Kindly if you watch, like, share, comment, and most importantly, please subscribe. Now I think I'll be ending my video here. Thank you so much for watching. You can see it's umbrellas everywhere. It's umbrellas everywhere. Sorry. So thank you. Thank you for watching. It's been an umbrella-filled morning.